My name is Kurt Jensen, and I'm a certified technical expert at Hank Graff Chevrolet in Davison. The video you're about to view should give you a thorough explanation of how things work. I personally viewed it myself and found it to be very informative. Enjoy!
Tahoe and Suburban are available with both passive entry and push-button start. With the key fob in your pocket, purse, or carrying case, press the button once to unlock the driver's door. Press twice to unlock all doors. You can also open any passenger door or the liftgate before the driver's door is unlocked. This makes it easier when loading kids or cargo into the vehicle. To start the vehicle, with the key fob inside the vehicle, apply pressure to the brake pedal. Then press the Start-Stop button. Release the button when the engine starts cranking. Keep your foot on the brake to shift out of park. You turn the engine off the same way. Transmission in park, foot on the brake, and press the button once. However, at this point, while the engine is turned off, the ignition's retained accessory power is still on. This allows you to operate the audio system, power windows, power liftgate, or sunroof for up to 10 minutes. When the retained accessory power mode is on, opening the driver's door will cancel the radio. Opening any door will cancel window and sunroof operation. When the ignition is off, it can be put in accessory mode by pressing the Start-Stop button once without applying the brake pedal. The ignition will automatically switch back to off after 5 minutes to prevent battery rundown.
I hope that video presentation has you confident on how to operate your personal car technology. If you have any questions, please contact me by phone, email, or at my website, www.graffguru.com. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.